Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to look at how to withdraw money from Binance directly into your bank account. If you're new to trading or cryptocurrency, or you're using Binance for the first time, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can get your money into your account in less than 10 minutes. 10 minutes maximum, nothing more than 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, your money will be gotten from your bank account, from your Binance account to your bank account. So the first thing you need to do is go to your wallet and click on Fiat and Spot. Already, I should believe you already have your money in your Fiat and Spot. So I believe you have gotten some amount of money inside there. At the moment, there is no money into my account, just $2, and I don't want to withdraw it at the moment. Actually, it is just left there. I just kept it there to monitor some things. I had taken out all my money because of the recent crash in Bitcoin, so I had removed all my money over a long period of time. So in your Fiat and Spot, you should be able to see the amount of money you have total in your Binance account. But if you're in a country where Binance is being banned, in this video I'm going to show you how to go around it. So whether you're in a country where Binance is banned or not, you are going to be able to withdraw your money in 10 minutes maximum. 10 minutes, nothing more than that. So after you've gotten to this point, I want you now to know we are moving your money from your Fiat and Spot to your P2P, because we'll be using P2P to sell whatever you have. So the first thing you need to do is to transfer it. So we'll be currently transferring from our Fiat and Spot balance to P2P. So when you come down here, you have to select the currency you want to send or you want to sell in. So there are different currency. If you want USDT, you have it. If you want NGN, which is my country, Nigerian Naira, you have it there. So let me just select this one for the tutorial. Now in the amount, I have to select how much I want to sell. Remember, there are no charges for all this. How much I want to sell? Take for example, I want to sell 10,000 Naira worth of this. I just put there 10,000 and I'll click confirm. As soon as I click confirm, the money will be deducted from my Fiat and Spot and will be sent to my P2P account. So as soon as that is done, you go to your P2P, and as soon as you have got into your P2P account, you will be able to see the amount of money you just sent. So you click here show and you'll be able to see the equivalent of the amount of money in Bitcoin that you just sent here. So as soon as you have gotten here, and if everything is successful and you're following everything I'm saying, the next thing you need to do is to P2P trade. That's the fastest way to get your money into your account. So you click on P2P trading. Remember, we want to sell what is in our Binance so that it will be paid into our bank account. Actually, you see, everybody here are actually advertising at different prices so that they make profit. This one is saying 505.14, 505.15, 505.03. It might take a little bit long period of time before these people get their money, but we want to make our own more faster. So all we need to do is go to Express and click on Express. Because we want to sell, you have to make sure that you have clicked on the sell tab. Actually, if we wanted to buy, we can buy. The process is the same, but this time around we want to sell. So you click on sell tab and you are being asked, what do you want to sell? Remember, we had already sent about 10,000 Naira to our P2P. So all you just need to do is select the currency that you want to sell. Because I have converted everything to my local currency, it is P2P now. So if you wanted to sell your USDT, all you just need to do is select that currency that you want to sell. and as soon as you have done that, you'll be told how much you receive. So at the moment, the charges is being taken, and you can see 300 in my local currency. It will be different from yours. So in my local currency, 300 naira is being charged. That is about, it's not up to $1. It's being charged for this transaction to happen in less than 10 minutes, and it is worth it. What you just need to do is click on sell. As soon as you have clicked on sell, Binance will take over. What you will notice on your screen is there's going to be a timer. Your details will be required and will be sent to somebody who is willing to buy this amount of cryptocurrency. That person will be told to pay it within that time. So if it is 10 minutes, the person has to pay in 10 minutes. If it is 4 minutes, the person has to pay in 4 minutes. But as soon as you have received the alert, do not click confirm until you have received the alert on your phone. As soon as you have received the alert, go to your mobile bank or you call your bank and confirm that that money is in your account. As soon as you have done that, you click on confirm and you do a little verification by inputting a code Binance will send to you. As soon as you have done that, the transaction is over. So that is how you can sell or move your money from Binance to your bank account. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create wallet or have wallet address for different cryptocurrency. So if you want people to see this video, or you want to help people so that they'll be able to remove their money, like this video, because if you like it, more people will see it, and comment below the questions you have, and I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to have solution to that problem. So this is all for this video. See you in my next video.